Gaeilge go Joe. It's Nisha Jacinta, and I want to share my love of the Irish language with you. Is Éireannach mé agus is múntóir Gaeilge mé. I'm Irish and I'm an Irish teacher. Rugu agus tógadh an Éireann mé. I was born and raised in Ireland. Dála mé mo chuid Gaeilge ar scoil nuair a bhí mé an óg. I learned Irish in school when I was very young. Hith mé ngrála an teanga agus rinne mé stadéir ar san ollscoil agus rinne múntóir dom. I fell in love with the language and went on to study at university and become a teacher. So why might you want to learn Irish? Well, Irish is a beautiful language. It's one of the oldest languages still spoken. As an Irish learner, you'll help preserve an endangered language. You can connect with your Irish heritage, learn to sing those beautiful Irish songs and melodies, give you a good reason to visit Ireland. I'm here to help you learn to speak Irish with confidence. Gaeilge go Joe courses follow the syllabus of Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, TEG, which is the European Certificate of Irish Language, which is based on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. It's an internationally recognized Irish language proficiency examination that assesses candidates' skills in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. The first examination, TEG A1, is followed by level A2, B1, B2, and level C. Foghlaimímis Gaeilge, le Gaeilge go Joe. Let's learn Irish with Gaeilge go Joe. Introducing Bun Level A1, le Gaeilge go Joe. Level A1, Topic a Hain. Level A1, Topic 1, Ag Bualadh Daoine, Meeting People. Rano Gahan, Réamhra, Section 1, Introduction. Some of the vocabulary we'll be using as we go throughout the course. Éanad is a unit, topic is a topic, and each of our activities is centered on either thabhairt, phonetics or pronunciation, thabhairt, speaking, éisteacht, listening, and léitheoireacht, reading. The course is broken down roughly as follows. Unit 1, Week 1, Rano Gahan, Section 1, Réamhra, the introduction. Section 2 on thabhairt Réamhra, pronunciation, introduction. Section 3, Ag Bualadh Daoine, meeting people. Section 4 on Gaeltacht, the Gaeltacht. And in week 2, we'll cover the following sections. Section 5, Ag Curtu Féin and Ahanna, introducing yourself. Rano Gashay, Section 6, Banachtaí no freagra, greetings and responses. Rano Gashacht, Section 7, Coiráite, conversations. In week 3, we'll cover the following. Rano Gahocht, Barney sa Banachtaí, fill in the blanks. Rano Ani, Ekora, Vanoij Gadia de, counting 0 to 10. Rano Gade, Exsimu Ivracha, adding numbers. Week 4, Rano Gahanjig, Section 11, Turhi Sport, sports results. Rano Gadoyeg, Mafas, Mahor, Mahechlauer, my passport, my car, my checkbook. Rano Gatrideg, Ivracha telephone a ahint, recognizing telephone numbers. 5 will cover Rano Gacahardeg, Section 14, Súil, siar or Thopaic a review of Topic 1, Rano Gacuigdeg on Áireacht dí Leathan agus dí Quail, pronunciation of broad and slender D. Rano Gashedeg, Rólamhairt or role play. And our final week 6, Rano Gashachteg, Cum Ceist no freagra, compose questions or answers. Rano Gahuchteg on Bongchanga, the language bank, and Rano Galinjeg, which is a tentative pop-up Q&A that we may be able to host live on YouTube or maybe through Google Meets or Zoom, to be decided. Tá nótaí agus bilog le fáil. There are notes and handouts available. along with MP3s for listening to and practicing pronunciation and Quizlet links to help practice. And these can be found at www.simplyjacintha.com, where you will find edited versions of the originals, which are available on www.teg.ie/. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairteáin úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar an suíomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the resources available on their site. And you can learn more about Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge at their site, which will be linked down below.